Team boy Europe.
Yes, only Europe.
What's about me
team pie Real Madrid. Free to today, my team Real Madrid.
Okay.
But my second team is Arsenal. After 1998 World Cup, our French players, which are not supporting France. After 98, Arsenal be my second team.
Oh, okay.
But the team
party Real Madrid.
Yes.
I see.
Real Madrid.
Same thing I was in go where I go.
I'm confused. I'm confused. Joe Manisu Bruno,
Me too.
Bromida say.
Okay.
I don't pay you and share it for. I appreciate you money I for. Said and then no more so a share. Na mamenchia mamenkwa asewase na menchia sister baako on fashion in Diagro or they are or to Dubai on fashion in Diagro nti bichia ne ye pa na bro ano pain na me hwa de bi me sure say what say Arsenal Manu Kone AS Roma star no ti me who story na me say me kenkan de bi ma hwa Onim clearly say Oshe Meka Teta. Ne transfer and any abroad person or this season. Adeba kudimu akotine. Central midfielder in here pa. Rich recently so okay eba I will say Arsenal enya Ayu Buadi of Liu ope that Moroccan international openo. And at the same time what is Sandro Tonali in Sudin ewum and yet near society Bruno Gomes of Newcastle United. Yet also a dear consistently names are what yes our names no. And then a Manu Kone diababa dimu enokadi dimu akutini. And Rich said what's here the amount involved around 50 million euros thereabouts. Adeba kwami hu ni say clearly if there's a problem make a teta if you say also or solve in as much as I feel say Arsenal here a clinical finisher. A typical alternate striker, it is clear. Say Arsenal here side no only team because even though we're against Paris Saint-Germain, where UEFA Champions League grand finale, at a point it was very clear because Untimi and rely solely on Abrantia and Nidin and Mofri Sporting CP and by Victor Gokaresh. Untimi rely solely on him, and Untimi far well soon say this tall, lanky striker, I don't know, on a natural striker, this German international. On to me and rely on him say consistently Kai Havertz say consistently obey deliver the goods at the amount. It is very clear say Arsenal here a striker because Rich from the goalkeeping
Victor Gokares no ntimi
Gokares a bit me but still he will be an upgrade over ono. Pass out the point or he will be an upgrade and at least me at par. Say Arsenal any type of striker no at the can Gokares. Trust you me. Arsenal team to be very deadly because it is very obvious for the goalkeeping department there's no problem whatsoever. For the defense a solid defensive back line and an Arsenal Rich Bra midfield Oba midfielder Arsenal ekra Martin Odegaard one of the finest midfielders or sounds ekra Branty and then Mikel Merino or no a huge superstar for Spain or the World Cup you play a key role or some personalities no ho. And also Declan Rice. But Rich at the enemy. So we analyze it no critically. You then get to understand and appreciate the reasons here. Still make a teta. I believe it's also on your branch and the Manu Kone. Premise or the reason me are very simple. Rich, so offer Arsenal team only why Arsenal managed to win the league. It was a certain Declan Rice because the reason is that so will be said Mikel Merino. Now Odegaard, all me players they have the quality. Yem pass the ball. Sadia no Ubenya Odegaard at the side no ebema. So all me good. Sad technical ability no the passing range super. Name Arsenal needed a fighter in midfield. There was no fighter in midfield. These are nice midfielders all me be born at the amount be the amount. But all me be anywhere a fighter. Pass also on your points no na Arsenal ni sadia no en check Arsenal bakosemu Arsenal periods are all league ni nyina no especially the past 20 years Rich Arsenal had a certain personality in the shape of Roberto Silva but also okay Roberto Silva very well but one person line breaking passes or the aggressor periodically otimi sai ko up front esan ko boa and not the same man ni nyina ba on board and sad traits and me no name saving Patrick Vieira so okay Patrick Vieira very well Patrick Vieira and so I was Arsenal midfielder or the side no at the mouth at a point minimum so okay sir and Tokano Patrick Vieira no this Manchester United midfielder no Musiana fekeke Manchester United midfielder ya ni Tibomui so I back as that time United midfielder no Paul Scholes and Patrick Vieira okay sir all about no fekeke enti emakwan ema the other creative midfielders enya kwan express omo. So that was something that Arsenal needed so badly. And Arsenal only Declan Rice no or the side and by team obetimi abo as a typical number 6 as abo as number 8 at the amount. Occasionally obese go a bad dead ball situations in so or the side money na at the amount. Even England number 1 in terms of dead ball situations Brandt Declan Rice. But Rich no be sound who say beyond Declan Rice Kukubani say Rice a press Siana. When you play or beat me as Edgeman or midfield. But just when you point to me, when you beat me as Edgeman, Declan Rice at the mount. So, person who appreciated the reason to ask now echo in for Manu Kone, one key reason. Because, Rich, you and I share World Cup, nibi. Fortunately, Obio share World Cup, nibi. And we say clearly, France midfield, no. At a point, personality back one for no beer air bonidin, air branch and dear Manu Kone. Rich, share Paraguay and Morocco. That I natural many Epra, Meboa. A Branty and a Papa ball midfield. Or ball midfield, no, or be the absence of Chouameni. Because at a point, on handle midfield, no ye. Say a bus first stability in ram midfielder or the ma. Say a bus on the opponent and face or best edgeman. At the same time, say a bus almost those key passes in Swa. Now Branty and the side at the mount. Me can't tell time so the say or pe a midfielder now or pen or all round midfielder the action type of a midfielder or no a bass a yem breaky midfield player or best edge money the amount and at the same time no yen sound so much those incisive passes and so or bear now you appreciate your brand and own and culture with the kind of quality or they on board. Any sikana air ball hana reach me a sure sign can be describing as a poultry sam because enemy no in any players are here born dini sika ededa almost Bruno Gomes any Ayub Buadi Munan. Yenim sika ededa almost. But Rich, me crano be samia between Ayub Buadi and Sabrante Manu Kone crano. And I will tell you, say Manu Kone is even better than Ayub Buadi. Meaning so me be aja. Shane person are crazy. Unim. Ya ball World Cup no. 5 matches or boy no. On your 386 minutes. 386 minutes, no. The personal crazy was 92%. The personal crazy, it was 92%. Now, on my 5 tackles, or 3 clearances, 4 shots, and oh boy, 2 was on target, or 4 interceptions, 2 defensive blocks, and on your be yourself very disciplined. What him say on say tractor cards? What him say during the World Cup? No, it was just 1 yellow card, and a brand no, any. So clearly, it tells you that up a player. Obey a certain job at the amount, but all your news no. On some so attractive cars are a brand here. Make us a France second game or Baby Boy, for instance. Reach why I did you a game. You say game now say within 10 minutes. So person who appreciating ye pa. Or my diagonal ball beat to Osman Dembele. Sambakaya. Now for ye pa. Ball say you never buy now quickly. No was so I'm a side defensive block no. Our midfield no. And China killing in my pillow team a PK ball. And all them Dembele start supplying a go by within 10 minutes. Virtually he was involved in everything. On one so ball shot to be back here. Norway goalkeeper no. Is our ball. So person who are brand ye pa. One in terms of young go forward. Also or sa height no where 6'1". Rate or height. The personal crazy even called Serie A last season. So called Serie A last season. All per players are normal personal crazy. I was rich no okaho, including Europa. When him says so about Serie A last season, about 29 apps, 29 appearances, and a brand no at the mount last season. Read 29 appearances na brand no at the mount. When him say 2 goals or make it 3 assists. The personal crazy was 92%. Midfielder, the personal crazy was 92%. Meaning say ojina midfield on all my pressure and mouse so onya the passing right. Because normally midfielders so pass the ball ni consistently aside the pressure ball mo team ne so. Onya sa type of midfielder ni bi. Bra Europa League. Oko Europa League ope players so pass the ball ye power count. O make 7 ups. 7 ups no make you Europa League no. Rate the passing accuracy was 90.4%. So a clear attestation to the fact that only problem with the passing and a sound super defensive duties in Swa or ye. Which me feel say Mika Ateta would have to commend Ateta. The reason being that as a gradually we identify the problems at Arsenal and now making sure say with time no or solving in a pepe. Mathieu Patrick Vieira, Arsenal legend. Patrick Vieira can't side their far branch, you know. Or say Manu Kone, where the right person or say Arsenal, Efano, because orchestrating the mode of no Patrick Vieira, and at the same time is Roberto Silva. I am just hoping and praying, say, BBR Beko as expected. Because a branch, you know, or say, normally French players, some will Arsenal team, no, of course, and to say first now because Arsene Wenger, and yes, our period maybe. But history actually say, normally French players, able Arsenal, I am Remo Mumbre. Easily they're able to slot into it. So me share a brand here no. Now me share baby on free bar with AS Roma. And AS Roma no, the NTMS Sikasem no rich. I'm add no from they say. Obeka AS Roma at a point UEFA financial fair play rule. Almost clubs na echi omo no. And I'll say AS Roma etoto ne me ye ni Sikasem. Ti for now ntimi spend bebre also ntimi balance in the books. And I such a talent. Or say 2 more years on the contract team. As such a talent no sa figure no ba. Sanya sana rich me sure say abranti ohu okukuko PM ebia for instance La Liga and also EPO and Arsenal epena unim sanka ni figure ni betimi akọ more than 100 million pounds looking at the performance he turned out during the World Cup any even Europa League any Serie A in its entirety because now one of the best tacklers was Serie A last season he was part of it. I'm just hoping that we'll get that gentleman see that gentleman Bema Branti and the Declan Rice. The freedom say Arsenal a bobola. That fear no any horse or so slotting as number 6 and at the same time as number 8. Rather, obey me push him more forward. Because me no name him say Declan Rice actually say the moment I will push him more forward, you know. So time no, there's that threat, there's that danger. Say obey me at the goal and our goals abba. And you know, I am hoping me sure see any year partner and I say Manu Kone and can the balance part about Arsenal midfield and trust you me and Arsenal team no a very dominant. Now Arsenal is saying a very good striker. Oh, what's her pedigree now? Yeah, can then Rich trust you me. The Arsenal team is good to go, bro.
Okay, I know I Jude Osuba for and Martin and Canin Shawanzo for 25 bit with the message on Abba.